okay. What I'm going to do is I'll do some research to find out some of the user-friendly versions of this, where it's easy to combine everything into a single document. What I would like to avoid is having each one of you send me 6 pictures, right? Oh, there we go. Genius Scan is a free app. Okay, I'll check into that for iPhone. Yeah. So I'll check into that, and but I'll look at some other ones as well. And then maybe we'll do a practice run with one of the with something before the final, so that you guys are all good with that. Okay, but I just think that's going to give us a little bit more freedom for you to write in a comfortable way and not have to worry about typing everything in and drawing on a computer. Okay, so we'll get back to that. Okay, so I told you that next Monday is going to be on Wednesday. So next time we're checking in, assignment is due on the 27th next week. So as I said, I posted the last few videos a bit late. I apologize for that. Last week did not work the way as it was intended. However, this week's videos, 2 of them are already posted. There's only 1 left that I will have to post, and I'll do that as soon as I possibly can. My plan is today, but we'll see what this week holds. So the goal for the focus for this week is transformations. So, you probably remember from high school where you were doing shifts and left and right of different functions on the graph and stretches and shrinks and all that. So we're going to take a look at it in a slightly different way, kind of from a point of view of combining lots of different representations. So that's kind of the focus of the week. There are 2 videos up now. The 3rd one is coming up with the kind of the applications and how we can think of that in real life. Then I'm hoping, although for some reason it's not in our timeline, my bad, I'm hoping that we can also take a quick look at completing the square with algeblocks. So I will post that video because that's going to tie the algeblocks in together with what we're doing with the transformations. Okay, so I'll do that as well. And then the following week we're going to do chapter 9, a couple of weeks on chapter 9, and then we're done. So we'll do the catch-up week where you can follow through on any questions you have, and then we'll be done. Okay. So that's the big plan. Any questions on specific examples that you want me to go through, that you want extra videos for, anything we've done up to now? Any extra practice, anything like that? Everybody good? All right, and the videos are okay? I think in one of them you heard a ton of meowing because my cat was hungry. this ends up being very interesting, the view into world. So, all right. Anything else? Because if not, then we're good. Everything good for you guys? Okay. All right. Well, I'll be around for the rest of the class time if you need to chat, but otherwise have a good week and stay on it, and take care of you and yours. All right. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
So I do have just another question.
Yeah.
If you don't mind clarifying. So the Keynote and that PowerPoint, I can use that to screen record like you do for videos. Is that what it is? Okay.
If you want, yep. Yep. So
for
what I do
for those sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, I use Screencast-O-Matic to do that. Right, and it doesn't, at this point, I don't think it has any limits on the time. At least I haven't reached them yet, but so you should be able to do that. Alternatively, let me take a look at the actual examples that you have, because I wonder if we can mess with them a little bit and make them smaller. Just a second. because I'm just thinking that at least for addition, it doesn't really, the numbers don't really need to be that big. So,
Right.
and I didn't realize that you only have 6 of them.
Yeah, I didn't
I
realize that
see.
until today, actually.
Yeah, and it's going to be a problem with subtraction as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Do on how many singles do you have? Do you have enough for
36.
14? Okay.
Yeah, we have 36 singles. 6 of the yellow squares.
Okay. You know what you can do with that one? How many rods do you have? Yellow rods?
Yellow rods, 8. But no, maybe I'm counting wrong.
Okay.
So 12 actually. I have 12 of the yellow rods.
Yellow rods. Okay. So let's do for your addition, instead of the 6, let's put in 3.
Okay.
And instead of the negative
squared.
9, yeah, 3f squared. And instead of the negative 9, let's put in the negative 2f squared.
Okay.
Okay, so what did I say? I'll change it in there. So
okay, I can repeat it to you if you want. If you need
no, I
to.
got 3 and negative 2. It's all good.
Okay. All right.
So
perfect.
all right, good. So then I'll change that, and then when you see others that show up, and actually let me just open this up and then where is it? Assignment. So 3 and negative 2. Okay. And then for subtraction, you're going to have an issue. Actually, no, you're not. 8 minus 7. You're not going to have an issue for subtraction.
Nope,
Good.
you're right.
For factoring, you might have an issue. Okay. For factoring, maybe you can do the screen capture.
Okay.
I just would like you to not have to do that for addition because it's the first one. And the first one would be great to do concrete. But by the time you get to factoring, you can do it on the template.
Okay.
Let's say we'll do it that way.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All righty.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem. All right. Have a good week.
Take care. Bye.
You too.